Hello mga kaboxing, it's Donita Donaire, your mommy Don. After a day ng paggunita namin ng second death anniversary ng lola ko, ay magsuswimming kami. Kung ikaw ay taga-probinsya, uso tong ganitong swimming sa kahit anong okasyon. Dito nyo makikita kung gaano kami kalaking pamilya sa Bicol. Yung iba hindi pa nakarating dyan ha. Year 2007, nung umalis ako sa Bicol para pumunta dito sa Cavite sa parents ko dahil laki ako sa lolo at lola. Maliliit pa itong mga pinsan ko nung umalis ako, pero tingnan nyo ang lalaki na, may mga jowa na ngayong iba tapos ako single. Anyway, dito kami mag-swimming sa Libmanan. Isa to sa must visit na place dito sa Kamsur. After na yung mamili ay dumiretso na kami sa place. Pagpasok nyo dito ay medyo lubak yung daan pero hindi na ganun kalayo. Hindi dagat ang pupunta namin kundi ilog o tinatawag na spring. Yung pagtalon mo, tatalbog-talbog ka kasi nga spring. Ano daw? Nandito na kami sa Malinaw Spring Resort. Barangay pa lang tong Malinaw. Iba pa yung name ng mga resort. Sobrang lalaki at magaganda rin ang ilog dito sa Bicol mga kaboxing at malamig pa. May kinokollect na 10 pesos ang barangay para sa environmental fee. Yung mga bata ay libre na po. And dito kami naligo sa Matuz. 20 pesos ang entrance fee at 500 naman yung cottage. Sobra kayo mag-enjoy dito kasi malawak na, malinis pa. Plus, mababait yung staff dito. Meron ditong mababaw para sa mga bata at meron din ditong 10 feet para sa mga marunong lumangoy. Pwede ka rin dito magrenta ng video okay kung bet mo. And syempre tamang vlog lang ako para hindi ako magbuhat ng mga bitbitin. Char! So let's go mga boxing, let's enjoy the food and the swimming.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up.
Yeah, I'm loving life every single day. I got that sunlight on my face. We vibe high when we in them rays. We even smile when we in the rain. And if you're down, yo, I feel your pain. Rise up and give it everything. Yeah, we love life every single day. Every single day.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up.
Let's get it. Yeah. I remember long roads with the windows down, fall asleep to the ocean sounds, no stresses. We don't need a plan. That's how you do when you living in a camper van. We taking flight just like a bird. I think we're higher than we ever were. Yeah, we can't stop. That's just how we living. Fresh fruit, green tea, veggies in the kitchen. The picture perfect life is just how you vision. Right around the corner, you just have to go get it. The sun sets on another day, but these memories will never fade.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up.
O diba, sobrang saya talaga umuwi sa probinsya kasama ang mga kamag-anak mo. This time is kasama ko yung pinsan ko na si Angeline. Pupunta namin saglit yung malapit na falls dito na ang pangalan ay Encanto Falls. Ano kaya yung itsura ng Encanto Falls mga kaboxing? Wait for the part 2!